Hello dear traders, welcome back to InstaTV for another financial news release. This week, traders will absorb comments of the Fed policymakers and will be closely watching the developments in negotiations between Washington and Beijing. The US dollar index that tracks the dynamics of the American currency against other 6 major currencies is stable today. In the previous session, it barely changed, while on Wednesday it plunged to the 6-week low amid dovish rhetoric of the Federal Reserve. The US dollar gained ground against the Japanese yen. At some moment, the greenback approached the level of 110, having added 0.08% on a daily basis. The support is now located at 109.75, which is Friday's low, and at the same time the resistance can be found at 111.69, which is Wednesday's low. On the other side, the euro declined against the yen. The euro versus the yen pair was trading at 124.02, having lost 0.31%. The support level can be found at Friday's low of 123.82, while the resistance lies at 126.92, which is Wednesday's high. On Friday, the ruble took a nosedive against the pound sterling and other currencies. The Russian currency depreciated as the appetite for risk decreased amid escalation of geopolitical tensions, actions of the Central Bank of Turkey, and a slowdown in the global economic growth. Investors got rid of risky assets, which led to a fall in the Turkish lira and the single European currency. The Russian ruble also came under bearish pressure on the back of a decline in oil prices. As a result, the greenback appreciated to 64.83 and the euro advanced to 73.16 against the Russian ruble. During the Asian session, crude oil declined by 0.65%, so the Russian ruble continued sliding against other currencies. If the financial market calms down before the American session starts, then the ruble will have a chance to recoup losses by the end of this trading day. A few geopolitical events are expected this week, but the market volatility is likely to be high. The unresolved conflict between the United States and China remains the burning issue. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.